Okay, do you use internet very much?
Yes, I really use internet because I used social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram.
So I use internet quite a lot. Okay, when was the first time you used the internet?
Well, I used internet in when I in ninth class because I some
Yes, my friends showed me some things on internet,
yeah.
and then I got internet connection at home and I started using it regularly. Okay, is internet very important for you?
Yes, internet is very important for me because uh, I learned the many
I've learned so many things from internet, especially
internet,
from YouTube.
YouTube, like English, learning English, and
Okay, so that is why I think internet is quite important for me. Right. Do you prefer to use internet on your mobile or on your computer or laptop?
I prefer internet use in mobile.
I prefer to use internet on my mobile.
On my mobile because mobile uh, when whenever all time used in mobile mobile easy to take and wear as many places, but computer or laptop is not easy to take other.
It's not easy to carry to other
Carry
places. So
other
that is
places.
why I prefer to use internet on my mobile. Okay, this is better. Just the start. Try to speak more and more, elaborate your point, and the questions given in this book, try to read them all so that you have some answer.
Yes.
Okay? All right. Thank you.